Yeah, man, we are live and we're going to play some chess today. It's Thursday evening. Looking forward to it. I'm all ready to start a nice 15-10 game, my traditional slow game. While my friends start rolling in. Okay, we're playing a 1444. E4, E5. Hey, Tibbs Jake, thanks for the like. And Carl Wilson, thanks for the like. Tanner Pierce had followed a few seconds ago. Tanner, are you the Tanner I was talking? We made some comments in a video or something, right, Tanner? Jake, how's it going, dude? Carl, how you doing? Dylan Thomas McGuire, has anyone ever told you look like Jim Carrey? Now, is this the going joke, or did you just say that? We'll just drop those stars. Jessica's dropping 50 stars and another 50 stars. Thank you, Jessica. They were saying that yesterday, and it makes me wonder if this is starting to become a joke. But yo, Ben, Tanner just liked or followed or something. Tanner Pierce, and I feel like I was talking to you, Tanner, about something in a thread on one of the videos, and remind me what it was. Do you remember? Okay, he takes the wrong pawn. You're funny, Dylan. What is going on, Jessica? Jessica dropped that other 50. That was the third 50, I think. Thomas Bostrom, thanks for the like. Ben, thanks for the like. Phil Patterson, man, welcome back, Phil. Thanks for the like. Robert Wack, thanks for the like. Jake Phillips, thanks for the like. Jessica shared it. Jake Dobbs is here. Eric Radford is here, man. I love you guys. You guys all make me feel good to just show up. Colton Coffrin is like, yeah. And Jessica dropped two different star bombs. Thank you, Jessica. I appreciate you. Boy, you guys are really. Sean Lucas is like, thank you, Sean. Thank you, Jessica. You're the sweetest. I did just say that. I thought it from watching you. That's hilarious, Dylan. Dylan is my brother's name, by the way. I think we have a guy named Dylan Sheehan that's here also. Spells the same way. And I heard it yesterday. I heard it yesterday like twice. Ryan Bevan is liked and Sean Lucas is liked. Armand's here. Armand, how are you, man? Keith Trott is liked and Derek Dunbar. Okay. How come I saw the alert there? That was Jessica's 50. The other 50 from Jessica. Hey, just notify you. Yeah, man. Appreciate it. I gotta move. So he took the wrong pawn. Okay? So I'm gonna take here. This is not the way to play the black side of a Ursoff Gambit. I'm not saying I'm gonna win. Don't play but love your vibe, bro. Sean, thank you so much, man. You know, I've been meaning to make a video with my girlfriend Courtney and teach her how to play chess. And so she could learn, and then I could refer you to that video. But you know what? And it's not her fault. My girlfriend's the best. It's not getting done. And it needs to be done. It needs to be done. And so I think I'm just going to make a how to play chess video, man. And that way, Sean Lucas, I could cram it down your throat and go, dude, go watch this video. I'll make it like something stupid, like 6 minutes long, right? So you can learn how to play, man. But for now, I would say just go on YouTube and search for my first chess lesson, man, and pick the shortest one and learn how to play. Then you'll see what's going on here, and then you can hang out with this. It'll be a little more fun for you. It's a great game, dude. That's why we're all here. All these people freaking love chess. Francois Oliver, love you, man. Thanks for coming back. Isaac Garcia, welcome back. Thanks for like. Yusef Yarway has liked. Jeffrey is here. Jeffrey Balakau has liked. Thank you, Jeffrey. Joshua, thank you, man. Joshua Andrews, Ryan Bevan, Sean Lucas. I got all you guys. Cool. Now I missed a bunch of comments because I'm trying to recruit what's his name? Sean Lucas, the Lucas guy. I'm trying to recruit him. Trying to get him into chess. Thibs Jake says, just found you yesterday, man. Enjoying your stuff. Relaxing. Thank you, Thibs. And Brandon Jones was on. freaking funny, man. You know it's Jessica, man. Jessica's a bomb dropper. She's the bomb dropper. I appreciate it. It helps support the stream. Thanks for the notify, Sean. I appreciate it, man. Derek Dunbar, hello to you, man. How are you, Derek? Derek Dunbar. I love the spelling of your name, too. Yeah, man, Dylan is the only cool way to spell our name, but you do look like Jim Carrey for real. Drive your point home, brother. What do you do? Oh, he moved. Oh, man, he's funny. Charlie, are you secretly famous? I swear I saw you playing guitar at a rock festival. Well, you know, I mean, I'm not famous. But, you know, I played some shows, man. I played some shows. I got some pictures of some shows. We opened for Waylon Jennings' grandson. His name is Way Jennings. Really nice young man, and he sings his butt off, and he's just a class act, cool dude. And oh man, do I castle yet? No, I think I need to play this. So we opened for him a couple of times. One of those shows was really cool. It was on a big stage with sound and lights and all kinds of stuff. And the pictures from that show, we look like. It definitely looks like we look like rock stars for sure. We felt like rock stars. I think I castle this way because of the half open file. You know what I'm saying? That's why. I don't know if it was smart, but I'm like, you know what? My king's not in trouble over here. I did just hang a pawn. You know what? Oh, take it, baby. Take it, take it, take it. That'd be cool to watch this too, man. Cool, I would like that. Where did you learn to play chess? I'll tell you where, man. I love you all, and this stream is the highlight of my getting off work. It's coming to hang out with y'all. Eric Winish, that's one of the nicest things I've freaking heard, man. Thank you. Carrington Connolly's here. Carrington, it was nice chatting with you earlier, by the way. Phil Patterson says, how's it going, Charlie? Dude, everything's going great, man. Dylan says it's not the only cool way, but it's a good one. Oh, Dillon speaks up and defends his name. I like it. Now, there's probably not enough wood for the fire, right? Well, I haven't sacked a piece yet. Rook E8. And if he takes, knight takes, and where's the queen go? About anywhere. What if I sack 2 pawns for it? Why do I have to sack anything, man? Why do I always have to sack stuff? I'm not going to. Oh, he's gonna chase me away though, man. Can I attack his queen? I learned how to play chess. You asked how I learned how to play chess. I learned when I was probably 10 or 11, whatever. How old were you in 3rd grade? Was I younger than that? I was in at least 4th grade at the most. So 8 or something? 9. My friend Jimmy taught me. I was at his house and he had a chessboard, and I couldn't stop playing. I bored him to death. Hey, Jonathan, thanks for the like. Victor De Leon, Jim and Sherry McNair liked and shared. Thank you, Jim. Dave Matthews liked. By Raleigh. Your name moved while I was reading it. There you go. Buzz Razali, Young Lane, I remember you, man. Thanks for coming in, dude. Ben Halberd liked. Mon Chaotic is here. Mon Chaotic, thank you. Jonathan drops 100 stars. Jonathan Thrasher and says, popping in to say hi. Back to work. Be back later. Jonathan, thank you, man. You're too kind. You are too kind. I have to move. Now he's gonna shove because he has no good moves. I almost want to play knight. Hit the bishop. See, he probably should have took it while he could. Next tournament's next week, man. Wednesday. We're doing it. We already committed to it. Same time, same channel. I'm gonna post it soon, so you guys can pre-enter. Jessica says, I never ever played chess. I've been here about 2 weeks, and I played in Charlie's tournament yesterday. I won 1 out of 5 games. I was willing to try and willing to chance and enjoyable. Love it. Yeah, Jessica. That's the move, man. It's not just about winning the tournament, man. I mean, we all try to win, right? Hey, I got 4 out of 5. I did pretty good. But it's the journey, man. It was freaking fun. It was so fun, that tournament yesterday. Dave Matthews says, good luck, Charlie. Thank you, Dave. And Jake Doba said, when will the next tournament be? I answered that. What type of music do I like to play? I love playing country guitar, man, because I play lead, Jake Dobos. And for me, that's the most fun. But as long as it's good music, man, good music is what I like. I like good music. And so if it's good, I'm playing it. Freud Avanosian, thank you for the like. And Bob Anderson, thanks for the like, man. Andreas is here. Andreas, thanks, brother. Good to see you. Charlie Walker's back. Charlie Walker. Ben Hallberg says, good evening, sir, and good evening to all. That's what I'm talking about. Ben Arnold says, I'll lose a couple times. Kenny Barth, if you want to play, I'll be home around an hour. I love that, man. Ben and Kenny are friends. No doubt that's why they're both here. And love having them around. Jacob Hunter Hester said, nice to see you on again, brother. Just recently getting into your stuff, but I'm a big fan already. Cheers from Tennessee. Jessica drops another 50 bomb. Thank you, Jessica. Cheers from Tennessee, man. That is freaking awesome, dude. I got some people on the ground in Tennessee. Jonathan Brasher. Boy, I'm way behind on the comments. Victor DeLeon says, good morning. Bob says, what's up, Charlie? Hey, Bob, what's up with you, man? The ability to play and chat out and just shout out is a talent. Called Charlie Butter because he's on a roll. Jake Dobos, 50 stars. Jake, I didn't see it, bro. Adam Engel, 50 stars. Jake, thank you so much for the 50, man. I'm catching up, guys. Travis B, can we play again sometime? Or Travy B, we will for sure. Maybe not today. Sean Lucas asks, how was my brother and sister visit? It was magical. Had a freaking blast. Okay. I believe now I'm going to bring this knight and attack the queen. If he wants to trade his bishop, that's fine with me. Yeah, glad Jessica enjoyed this. Thank you for asking, Sean. And I'm glad you enjoyed the stream. I think we all, the tournament, I think we all did. It's funny, Armand, you say Charlie Walker sounds like a Texas Ranger name. I think of Johnny Walker Red when I see his name. That tells where we're at. You're into Chuck Norris? I'm into booze. Kyle T. Massey says... It's not a bad place to be. Nice to catch you. Been watching your videos for a couple days. You got me playing chess again. Love the videos. Good vibes. That is the best thing that people say to me. When people say, you got me playing chess again. It's freaking amazing. It makes me feel so good. Adam Engel, again, thanks for the 50. Dylan says, I'm a lead rhythm guitarist with some blues and rock and roll, but I love to play heavy metal like drop tuning and love playing acoustic. Yeah, man. Dude, playing guitar is such a beautiful thing, isn't it? I'm going to do this because I'm going to attack this square and I want to get some checks going. And I have to move. Thibs Jake says, I'm assuming you watched Queen's Gambit. What'd you think? I loved Queen's Gambit. As a matter of fact, I'm going to watch it again. I've just been getting excited about watching it again recently. Armand says, every non-chess player would love that movie. Even non-chess players. Yeah, you're right, Armand. Or the series, right. Carrington Conley said, is it going to be the same time limit for the next tournament or switching it up? Same time limit. Same time limit. He has a He has a discovery that he didn't take advantage of. Oh, man. Did I have a move? Right here, guys. Look. I had queen takes knight. On the rook. Oh, no, I didn't. The queen could take. Okay, I'm like, that pawn's pinned. I didn't have it. I don't feel so bad right now. Now then, let us play a move that steps the queen out of trouble. This is probably not a bad square. Now I need to start making threats. So, like, what are the threats? Okay, Ben Hallberg says, I took your advice and my gut and ordered my green and white tournament board so I can teach my son. Thanks for the advice again. You're welcome. Craig Lennon says, how long have you been playing? It's been what, 30 years or something? About 30 years? Something like that. Okay. Armand says, LOL, I don't drink much. That's why. Smoking the green for you. Yep, that's cool. Working on more music? Not yet, but my girlfriend's hustling me, man. My girlfriend is telling me, get off your butt and make some freaking more music, man. These people deserve a little bit of music, you know what I mean? Now, do I do this something crazy like this? No. Oh, I did that for this reason. So just do it. Okay. This pawn is hanging. So is that pawn. I guess I'll just do it like this. If he wants to put a bishop here, that's fine. I won't be able to control a square. Check with the rook. If it takes with the queen, pin the other rook. We do deserve some new Charly originals. Yeah, you guys do for sure. You guys waited long enough. Craig Lennon says, yeah, you're fired. Been putting you out there in my little town. Dude, thank you, Craig. I appreciate that very much. Hit him with the pressure. And Thibs Jake says, should have a little jam session to end the stream, man. Yeah, it would be something like that could be fun. Just chase me away. I mean, I think I'll play yeah, he got his rooks in. I mean, he got his rooks connected, but now I control this square, so now I'm going to be coming down this file instead. Never afraid to change up my plan, okay? His king was in the middle. I didn't really have any breaks to bust anything up. Eric says I might be opening a dispensary, and if I could just have your jam tracks playing there all day, I would be so happy. You can download them, man. You can download them, dude. They're 16 minutes long. It's a 16-minute long for $2.99 on Bandcamp. Type exclam music or the link. Ooh, that would have not been good. I'm gonna play king. So I want to use my knight. So I'm just gonna walk into the back rank. Andrew Bryan, good morning, man. How you doing? Charlie Walker, thanks for the like, man. Josh Sprouse says, new here, play a little music and a little chess. I've been watching for the last few days, first live feed. Play an old friend for the first time in years last night. Thanks for the inspiration to play. Guys, that's what's gonna freaking really get me is all this the love from people keep telling me like I've inspired them to play again. And you know, you love the game, man, right? But if I just reminded you, like I just lost a bishop. That's bad. Yeah. Who knows me? Who knows? Do I win the first game or do I lose the first game? Yeah, King B1 is what I did. Did I say H1? Oh my god. Guys, I just dropped a bishop. I just totally undefended, man. It's just zero tactics when I'm talking that much. It's really, I can still do tactics. I'm getting settled, right? You guys know that. No, I don't gain the rook because he plays queen takes rook check. And then I could play knight back. I'm gonna put my and this bishop will be gone, so that's a pretty good thing. I lose first game all the time, you know it, Dylan. I can win. I could possibly win this game. This thing could become a monster. I may have to play a move and get my to get my knight out. This pawn is hanging. That's not good. This pawn is hanging. That could be okay, but probably not going to do too much for me. He should just play either queen back or d6. I have a strong pawn. That's what I'm talking about, man. You're thinking like I'm thinking. Let's take. Oh man, I scroll this down. I missed all these things. Jacob Rosenberger is followed. Thank you, Dylan Sheehan, Lasico Jet. Thanks for playing yesterday, man. Andrew Bryant, Kyle T. Massey. Thank you guys all for the likes, man. Yeah. Little in-between move. They call it an intermezzo. It might make my position a little bit better to maybe, you know, help this. I don't know. If he happens to play this move, I will play queen takes with check. So his best move is probably king g8, blocking his rook, which is another move, right? I guess he could play king a6. No, he can't. He'll lose his rook. No, he won't because, yeah, he probably still will lose his rook. Okay. I'm gonna hit the queen and hit the rook. He could play queen back. Then I can win a pawn. But I can't really take it. Oh, he can't play queen here, though. He can't play queen e7. Yeah, I'm losing. Logan McClellan, thank you for the like. Appreciate y'all for being here. Hey, if you're new, I know there's some new people here. My name is Charlie. I play guitar. I play chess. We have fun. We're spreading the chess. If you like chess, come back and see us, man. Say hello in the comments. You'll become a local like one of my guys, like my Dylan or my Mon Chaotic or my Lasico or Andrew Bryant's kind of new, but Andrew's a good player, man. Andrew's tough deal. Well, pawn to b4 is an idea, right? It attacks the knight. But what does it he moved. He attacked my rook. Okay. My rook is attacked. Attack is queen. Kato says, hey, Charlie, great following the tournament yesterday. I'm going to join in the next one, even though I'm a fairly poor player. How's the game going today? Hey, we're all relatively poor players. Yeah, that's probably a good move. I'm losing, guys. That's all there is to it. I'm just losing. I'm going to have two passed pawns. You'll have a knight. I don't think these roll fast enough. This knight comes so quick. It comes so quick. He threatens a check. That's really actually a pretty cool situation for him. So we'll stop that. Next tournament is a week from last night, man. Logan says, hello, I love playing chess. Just recently got back into it. That is awesome, Logan. Welcome. And the games today, well, this is the first game, Kato, so what do you do? He didn't move yet. It's a hope move, guys. It's a freaking hope move. Oh, and then he's gonna be able to play, he's gonna see it. I'm busted. I'm gonna have to run my. He was gonna win a. Yeah, he's smart. Oh, he gets it. He gets it all now. I'm gonna resign, guys. I'm wasting your time. Rocam is liked, and St. Lucie is liked. Mac Bond is liked. Thank you. Camilo Andres Vega is like. Let's go ahead and start another game. And I'll tell you guys when my game ends. If you're on chess.com, you send me a tell. You send me a challenge. I will take the challenge from you guys first, okay? Right now I'm just playing from the pool. Normally, a lot of times I'll do supporters. I don't think I'm gonna do supporters only today. I'll play anybody, but what I'm not gonna do is wait around. So if you catch me at the end, bang, 15-10. Make him nice and slow. I like to chill. Boy, gosh, I freaking lost that bishop. I was so much better. Aaron Harry, thank you for following. Rocam is here. St. Lucie, Mac Bond. Those are two great names. Mac Bond. That's a strong name. You could be president with that name or something. Bond. Mac Bond. Morley Group McDonald. Juan Pablo Vilke. Don't tell me. You're Halloween. Here he goes. I didn't even see it yet. I didn't even read it yet. Hello, Charlie. How are you? I am Juan Pablo from Argentina, Halloween 2021. I know you, Juan Pablo. Welcome to my stream, man. Kato says so bad you stream so late. In Norway, it's okay. You have to go to bed soon. I'll tell you something, Kato. Let me read a couple more of these. Does anyone else use lead chess for practice? I do that sometimes. Carrington, because I like the lead chess. I think it's a little smoother. We're gonna have another tournament a week from last night. Same bat time, same bat channel. Next Wednesday. This coming Wednesday, I guess. Right. Betula's followed. So the question was, oh yeah, Kato. Sorry about the time. In June, when I'm gonna take a month off my day job, and I'm gonna focus on the stream. And what I'm gonna do is I haven't set it in stone, but I'm probably gonna start doing a morning stream also. Something early, like 8 a.m. 8 a.m. would be great. Get up at 7, drink some coffee, take a shower, work out, play chess for 2 hours, then start working on the stream, getting ready for the afternoon stream. That's what I want my day to be, and I'm doing it. I already took the time off. I got the month of June off, guys. I'm freaking committing to this. You know that? I'm committing. Irvin Fat Kick is liked, and Ryan Betchel is here. Thank you for the follow, man. Isaiah Shalom Patani is liked, and Sean Brosnan followed, man. We're getting a follow goal up, man. We're gonna reach that follow goal. What's your name on chess.com? It's Rosewood Telly. Yeah, I'll type it right now. Rosewood Telly. Yeah, nice. Looking forward to that. Yeah, no kidding. I would love that, man. Knight c3 is a move, man. I mean, knights before bishops. You got to develop. I would play that move or e3, but I think I'm going to play knight c3. I think that's what I would play. Irvin Fat Kick. Gives me okay and a freaking what's up, bro. Thank you, man. Thank you, Irvin. Yeah, I just never know, Andrew. Like, I don't know all these positions to where aren't there spots where like there's key ideas where they can finally take the pawn and hold on to it, and it like sometimes it's just most of the time it's just straight up bad, right? But I'm just gonna do this. But and I know that. That's why a Queen's Gambit isn't really a gambit, right? Because if they take the pawn, it's bad for them. Okay, he moves pieces twice. That makes me feel good. Now I'm going to move a piece twice. And then he'll take here, and then I'll move it twice. It is time to make my beginning chess video, or teach you how to move the pieces. So you guys already know, and there's a million of them out there, but when people ask me specifically, and they say, hey, I watch your stream, I like the stream, but I don't even know how to play, then I could send them to the video, man. Then they would watch my video. They'd feel pretty good about it. You know what I'm saying? About learning. Anthony Magruder says, what's going on, boss? Your stream is awesome. Love the atmosphere, music, knowledge. I don't even play chess, but this makes me want to learn. Guys, I should stop the stream right now and make a freaking video. Maybe I should just do it on stream right now, guys. Anthony, you want me to teach you how to play chess right now? I'll freaking resign this game. It'll take. We'll keep it short because I'm gonna want to upload it to YouTube and stuff. You got like 10 or 15 minutes, Anthony? This is something that has to be done. I gotta make this video. I might as well just do it live. F5. Okay, it's a move. It's a move. I'm gonna castle because castling is important. Yeah, so when you say you'd learn, boss, Anthony, you got time right now? It's pretty funny. I don't want to mess your game up. Yeah, man. Oh, well, this guy is almost 1700. Well, I'll tell you what, Anthony. If you're around after this, I'm gonna teach you how to play chess, okay? And I'm gonna do it quick, but you're gonna know. You're gonna know. All right? Yeah, we'll do it live, guys. We'll do it for a new follower, man. And I hope that Lucas is still here. What's his name? Sean Lucas or something? Was he the one that said he didn't know how to play either? I've already had 2 people say that this stream. We'll do it, Anthony. Yeah, cool, cool. Now, Sean, did you say you didn't know how to play either, or was that a different comment you made? Am I confusing it with someone else? Absolutely. Let me know when you think I'm working remote, so I'll have it on the background. Yeah, no, that's fine, man. An openings course would be awesome live on the stream. Yeah, that would be. The thing is, I'm not known for my opening theory. I can tell you basic ideas. Dylan Thomas says, I haven't really played it before either, to be honest. That's awesome. Yeah, control the center. Clayton says, so I hear about control the center. I have had both pawns in the center, but I didn't know how to capitalize on it and lost any pointers on center control. Yeah, man, I can help you with all that stuff. Those are all things that I've learned from grandmasters. You know what I'm saying? They're all, yeah, you know, I kind of wanted to do something with this bishop. And the queen here doesn't do anything, so we'll just come back. Bong cloud theory, we'll work on that. You guys, if you guys want your bong cloud theory, you're gonna have to go to Zakutso's stream, and he'll teach you all about it. I don't know anything about that, Zakutso. How you doing, man? Anthony Magruder liked, Don Bello liked, Ahmed Radwan has liked, Adisa Rikik is liked, Alec Pagan liked, Leroy McDonald, Dalton Fowler, and Leroy McDonald followed also. Thank you. Drake Armadon, like, man, I know that dude. He's a friend of mine. He's a real life friend. He knows computers better than I do. So we talk about stuff sometimes. Charlie Walker Red says, I've been teaching my 10-year-old brother recently, so I'd show him the vid. Yeah, very cool. Anthony Magruder says, sorry for all the typos, LOL. I swear my grammar isn't that bad. No, dude, I'm the worst, man. Sean doesn't know how to play. Good. That's what I want to hear, man. Well, when this game's over, you might have, Jessica, but it doesn't show when I'm playing. I know you're kidding, Sakuto. That's great. Freaking love it. Bon Cloud Theory. Someone just asked a question. Sakuto is he's a kind soul, guys. If you ever, we've rated his stream before, and he's rated me too. And I didn't even know what was happening when he rated me. And later on, I'm like, oh, usually, you know, you'd be happy for the raid, but people are like, raid, and I'm like, what? You can raid on Facebook? I didn't even know what was happening, Sakuto. Do you remember that time where you're like, wow, Charlie seems like a pretty nice guy, but I didn't hear him say thank you. I didn't know what was going on. I'm like, what? What's happening? So, anyways, Kutzo's a cool guy, man. He's a kind soul, and if you guys like a chill stream with a kind soul, check out Sakuto. Okay, so there's a question I wanted to answer. I'm sorry, Theron, I got to you now. It's Theron Melsinge says, I've always wondered, is the ranking in chess.com valid for chess tournaments? No, it is not. It is specifically for chess.com only. Dalton wants to beat Sebastian. Did Sebastian bring you here, Dalton? Or you just want to beat Sebastian Sparenga? Sebastian Sparenga's cool, man. Sebastian Sparenga, he comes in, comments. He's been dropping stars. Logan McClellan said, I have some hours in chess, and it's always good to play to the end when you're beat. Human error is a game destroyer, or won some games that shouldn't have been. Yeah, that's true, but once you get to a certain level, I know Ahmed, forgive me, Ahmed Radwan, I wish I would quit smoking too. 145 stars for Anthony Magruder. Have to support the good energy and you play Vanilla WoW too? Rock on, brother. Dude, I got a 60 mage and a 60 priest on one server on, oh, I hate that server. I'm glad I can't remember the name. And then I have a 60 mage and a 60 priest on White Main, which is a PvP server. I need to break. Break. Give me a break. Would someone break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar, please? This is probably structurally bad, but I'm going to go for it anyway. Mike Lotes, thanks for the follow. Thanks again, Anthony, for the 145, man. Dalton, yes, sir. Cool, man. So, yeah, you put me on the stream. You guys friends? Like real-life friends? Dalton, you and Sparenga? Casey says, just stop by to like the stream. I got a busy day today. Okay, well, good luck, man. And thank you, Casey, for the kind wishes. I'm going to do this. No, because he's going to have this. I guess I'm just going to do this. And then this bishop has to come out this way. Known him for a hot minute. Chocolate. Who had chocolate? Anthony said, that's sick. I'll have to send you a request one of these days. Yeah, man. You're not on White Main, no, are you? Mike Lotes said he just started watching my streams. You just started playing chess. Your streams are very enjoyable, dude. That's Mike Lotes, man. Thank you. I really, really appreciate those kind words. I really appreciate the kind words, man. Anthony, you play? Hey, Anthony, if you play a little while. In vanilla. Oh, Jason Snyder followed. Thank you, Jason, for the follow. What are we at on the follower goal? I'm going to tell you about my vanilla career. If you can call it that. Oh, it's got a stinking sample goal. What happened? Okay, I've got to fix that now. Okay. Yeah, I don't really want to take that. I think my position isn't good. Got the arrow keys working today. I do. Jessica says, learning to invite a friend to play. It's so confusing. Oh, I'm sorry. Franz, thank you for the share. Welcome, man. And Algie. Banota has followed. Thank you for the follow. So, my vanilla, I'm gonna reheat my coffee, then I'm gonna tell you my vanilla experience. Warming up coffee takes 1 minute. All right. Some of you guys have heard me talk about this, but I was an officer in a guild in World of Warcraft in Vanilla WoW at the beginning when it first came out, and I was an officer in a guild that I believe we were 43rd ranked in the United States in Burning Crusade, which was the second expansion. And that was right as I was getting toward the end of my raiding careers when we hit 43. So I'm going to be honest. I was very responsible for getting us to the point where I kind of stopped raiding, and then all my friends went on to be breaking records and stuff. They did really good, man. I'm so proud of those guys. And, you know, maybe it was my fault. Maybe when I stopped raiding, maybe that's why they did better. I'm just kidding, but I think it's funny. You're so focused on your chat, your coffee is always cold. Legend. Yeah, Mark Gaines, you ain't kidding, man. Hi, all. Hey, Algie, thanks for saying hi. Anthony says, I have to get a subscription again so I can play WoW. Oh, okay, just recently. Boy, I can't even stay scrolled up on these things. Just recently got a decent computer to play again. That's awesome. Man, you get the WoW account, man. Sometimes what I'll do, goof around, is I'll go on my mage. I'll go to Dark Whisper Gorge, my Frost Mage, because my mage on White Moon's a Fire Mage. I'll go on my Frost Mage, and I'll go to Dark Whisper Gorge, and I'll pull the demons. And I'll kite him up and down the street and kill him for the 2%, 1.5% chance for the Eye of Shadow. And I got one, dude. I got one on video. I got one on stream. An Eye of Shadow. Oh, well, I didn't see that. Guys, I think I can resign again. Well, maybe not. Queen. Oh, yeah. No. This is fine. My king's... I thought my king was in trouble. I thought the game was over. Josh Mena, thanks for the like. Oh, yeah. Oh, but that rook's hanging. Yeah, that's a pretty big problem. Well... If you're watching the stream, okay, I'm gonna resign. So if anyone wants to send me, I'm gonna resign this game, guys. I have no counterplay, and I didn't see he was lined up. I'm gonna pay better attention next game. I promise. I might lose a little bit of chat, but I think I'll be okay. Anthony McGruder said, "Dude, that's sick. I missed that game, man. We'll start a new guild. Oh, that'd be hilarious. When does Burning Crusade come out, man? Yeah, my rook's gone. No, this is resignable. I'm gonna resign." And so go. I'm gonna give you someone a chance to send me a. There we go. I got one. I'm in. Jessica wasn't there. Okay, Jessica, I'll play you next. Okay, I'll challenge you next. You're like Sassy Jessica Girl or something, right? What's your name on chess.com? I don't remember. I don't want that. I want my game. I want to play online. There we go. Bishop c4. Knight f6. Ahmad Radwan says, I'm following you from Egypt. Really like the stream and spend some time here. Thank you, Ahmed. Jessica Sassy, got you. I remember now. Just saw a commercial for BC, huh? Comes out pretty soon. I gotta tell you though, man, I don't know if I have time for it. Oh, Mex is here. Mex, thanks for the like, brother. How are things in Canada? And Elijah Mahado has liked. Thank you, Elijah. He's thinking for a second. So I want to go to my follower goal. Man. Follower goal. Goal amount was, let me see. I gotta look. Oh no, I gotta look. Looking. Yeah, he hasn't moved yet. That's good. I'll be right back to the comments. I have 2392 right now. Okay, so coming back here. This is probably okay. Starting around 2392. We're gonna go for 2500. Plays H3. Some of these moves are just amazing to me. Okay, this is 30. 2021. I'm not sure what he's gonna do here, guys. I'll be right back to your comments. I have to follow our goal. Start goal. There we go. We got the follower goal is up. In 15 plus 10 game, Carrington asks, where to be more active in chat. I'm not sure exactly. Wait, maybe I'm misunderstanding the way you read that. No on the chess video. Oh my God, I forgot. I'm gonna resign. I resigned. Okay, I'm not gonna play you now, Jessica. Okay. You actually have to go meet for my job. You'll be back on in 30 minutes. Okay, you know what? Because Lucas is here. Sean Lucas is here. So I'm going to go ahead and go over it, and you can come watch a replay. Right now, we're 47 minutes in. Okay, Anthony? So I'll talk to you, too. This is for Anthony, and I keep forgetting the guy's first name. It was Lucas. It was Sean Lucas or something. Scrolling. Was it? Scrolling. Yeah, Dalton said, I think Dalton said he could use a little bit of that action too. Sean Lucas. Okay, guys. I'm going to do this quick, okay? Because I need to make this video anyway, and it's for the few people, because you guys would be shocked. You guys would be shocked how many people watch a stream and don't even know how to play chess. It's so cool. Don Anderson, thanks for the follow. Okay, I'm gonna chill on the follows and all that stuff for a minute. We're gonna do this real quick. This is all you need to do to learn how to play chess. Okay. I'm gonna go to I want to learn. Should be analyze, right? Analysis. Here we go. Okay, this is Charlie teaching you how to play chess. This is really easy, guys. These are pawns. There are 8 of them. They're worth 1 point each. At the beginning of the game, the pawn has a choice between moving 1 square, or most often they will move 2 squares, but that's how a pawn moves. 1 or 2. Okay, so this pawn can come 2 squares if it wants to. This pawn can come 2 squares if it wants to. That's how pawns move. Now, pawns capture diagonally. So this pawn is now attacking these 2 squares. Okay, it's pretty simple. You can't jump. It's not like checkers. So if this pawn were to come 2 squares forward, I could capture this pawn. Or if I were to move another pawn, because that's all we've learned so far, he is attacking my pawn because he attacks the 2 squares diagonally in front of him, just 1 square at a time. Okay? So pawns capture like that, diagonally, and they can't jump. And when they hit this first position, let me see. When they get to this spot, they're stuck. These pawns cannot move unless something comes to the side where they can capture, or unless I capture this pawn, it goes away somehow. Okay, the last thing, and this is the trickiest thing in chess, and it's not hard, but you gotta learn it. It's called en passant. It means while passing. And here's the idea. If my pawn is, I'm going to call it 2 squares away from his pawn row, okay? And the position is, his pawn hasn't moved yet. and you say, well, I want to come, I want to just jump past him. Well, it has to do with at the beginning of the game, you get one, you can move 1 square or 2 squares, right? But the fact that you could have these 2 squares, that would mean that this pawn can never slow down this pawn, because whenever he comes up, he'll just jump past him. So, when a pawn that hasn't moved jumps 2 squares right beside an enemy pawn, this pawn can take. It looks weird, because I told you that this pawn only attacks these squares, right? But if this pawn hasn't moved yet, and it jumps 2 squares, and it's beside the pawn, only on the immediate move after that, the pawn can capture. That's called en passant. It means while passing in French. So there's your pawns, okay? Let's start at the end with rooks. Oh yeah, okay. I'm gonna move I'm gonna get my rook out. Okay, so I'm not gonna set up an analysis board. Rooks move straight, up and down, or across. That's a rook move. This is a rook move. You can go 1 square, or you can go 8 squares. 1 square. Now watch, I can go this way too. Now, of course, this pawn can take this rook, right? Because you know that the pawn can take the rook. But look at this rook. This rook can also take this rook, because what did I tell you? The rooks move in this manner. Okay? So you're seeing the rooks move straight, as many or as few squares as you want. 3, 2, 1, doesn't matter. Okay? Those are the rooks. Knights, people think they're tricky. They're not that hard. They make an L shape, okay? That's the way I always look at it. It's 2 up and 1 across. Or 2 across and 1 this way. You see what I'm saying? Let me put this knight in the middle of the board. Wait. Oh, it's my move. Okay, good. I'm gonna put the knight here. This knight can move to this square, to this square, to this square, to this square. It can't move here because it can't land on its own pawn, but if this pawn was gone, it could go here, it could go here, it could go here, and it could go here. And every time they move, they change color. Okay? See how all my squares are white? As soon as I come here, as soon as I make a move to a light square, now I'm attacking all these dark squares. Okay? So it's 2 over and 1 to the side, like that, or 2 over, 1 to the side. And if he just makes a move, I could take a pawn. I can land on that pawn. Just take it. That's how you take. You land right. And knights are cool because they can kind of jump over things, right? Like it looks like it's jumping over. Well, especially since there could be another pawn here still. Okay, so that's your knight. It's 2 up and 1 across. Okay, good. Bishops are the easiest ones. Bishops are like the rooks, but they're only on diagonals. You say, what does that mean? Well, this is a white bishop. It will never be on a dark square unless you're cheating or you made a mistake. Bishop moves on the white diagonals. It can go 1 square. It could go 2 squares. It could go 8 squares. It could go, but this is how bishops move. Now let these guys out. The bishops stay on their color. Okay? That's how bishops move. It's very simple. Okay. The queen. I didn't give you relative values either. The rook is worth 5 points. The knight is worth 3. A bishop is worth 3.5. At the beginning, we just say it's worth 3. The knights and bishops are about equal. The queen. The queen moves combination of the rook and the bishop. Meaning it does whatever the heck it wants to. Watch this sucker, man. I can come up like a rook. Then I can go diagonal like a bishop. See that? Then I can go 1 square like a rook. Change colors. So the queen basically is going this way, from this square, here, 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 or here. So you can see the power of the queen, okay? And that's why it's so valuable. The queen is worth 9 points, okay? And if this is too fast, watch it again. You're smart, you'll get this. King is cool because the king, the thing I say about the king is, first off, there is no value on the king, because when you lose the king, the game's over. That's like putting a price on your life. There's no price for your life, okay? It's not worth anything. Chris, thank you for the stars, man, for the 50. The king can move just like the queen anywhere it freaking wants to go, but only one square at a time, and it cannot move into check. And you say, well, what's check, Charlie? Check is a square that an opponent's piece is attacking. Watch, I'm going to try and move in front of I'm going to try and move to this square right now. It won't let me because I'm moving into check. It'll let me go here. Now, watch this. Black king can't come here. You know why? Because he'd be in check. Because my white king is controlling this queen, this square. So the kings are kind of like those the magnets. They can never touch each other. Okay, kings can move anywhere in any direction they want to. Just one move, just one square though. Okay. Now, checkmate is when your king is in check and it cannot escape the check. And I'm going to show you a very basic checkmate. See, you saw the bishop move, right, on its diagonal. The queen came out here. Now, the bishop and the queen are attacking this square. You see this? So if black does nothing, I take this pawn. And look, he's in check because my queen's going to take him next move. That's what check is. I'm attacking his king. His king can't move here. What? Because it's still check. His king cannot move here because it's still check. His king cannot move. That is checkmate. The game is over. Now, let me show you one thing, one little quickie thing. Let me show you this. Well, your king's in check, right? You can't move anywhere. But, see the knight? Bing, bing, bing. The knight can take the queen and stop the checkmate. So people say, like, why isn't this checkmate? And there, maybe I'll have a square to run to. But you would think this would be checkmate, except for the fact that the knight can stop the checkmate. Now I will take this knight, and that's when someone says check, because the king is in check. And the king can either has to move out of check, or you can move out of check by taking a piece. When your king is in check, you have to move out of check. Okay? And if you can't, you're in checkmate and you lose the game. So those are the rules to chess. Quick, easy. Did I leave out anything really big, guys? I'm not going to show them. Hey, Anton, I'm not going to get into like any strategy on this one at all. If you didn't know how to play chess, that's how you move the pieces. This started at about 45 or something. How long are we doing this? Somewhere around 50 on the video. 50 minutes. So if you want to come back and watch it again, that's me teaching you how to move the pieces. Castling. Thank you, guys. I'm so glad I asked you guys. This is, yeah, I should have planned this. No. You guys are great. Okay, so I'm going to move my knight out, okay? And let's say he moves a pawn, whatever. All these moves are bad moves. Don't worry about them. When your king and your rook can see each other, okay? The king has not moved yet. All right? You can move the king over 2 squares, and the rook jumps to the other side. And that's castling. If you don't understand it, watch it again. It's pretty simple. Now watch. Let me show you real quick here. I'm gonna give you. Oh, it's my move. Okay, I want to show you something here. Okay, it's white's move. I'm gonna castle, but I can't castle. It's because you cannot castle through check. See, this bishop is controlling this diagonal, so I can't castle through check. That's one of the rules of check. Now, you can castle on either side of the board. Once this bishop is moved, and let's just make a move for black, I can castle this way. I move my king over 2, and then the rook jumps to the other side of the king. All right? This is very popular in the way of when you do this, Your rook will be toward the center of the board more than this one will, but it's also not as safe on the king side. But now I'm getting into strategies. I don't want to tell you that. So castling, we'll talk about that. I did cover en passant, but thank you very much. Castling makes your king safe. Okay, so I'm gonna end that there. So now we're done doing that, and so I'll start again with Jessica, and then we'll start chit-chatting. Maybe we'll do a strategy thing later, a beginning strategy thing, because that is very important. But now that you know how to move the pieces, watch what I do. Let me see. What are we playing here? Yeah, we're gonna play unrated. Clayton didn't know that. You didn't know that you can't castle through check, or that you do it for safety. I sent it, Jessica, if you're still here, if you're close. Yeah, on the first move. If the pawn has not moved yet, it can go 2 squares. Or 1 square. It has a choice. Sammy Parala has liked. Thank you, Sammy. And Chris Whitehead, thanks for the 45, dude. Dusty, thanks for the like. Chris, thanks for the like. Paul T. Masaglang, thanks for the like, man. Jessica dropped 50, man, while I was doing that. Jessica, did I call that? That's funny. Yeah, you can't castle through check, man. I got you, Jess. Okay, cool. I'm gonna play an opening I play in bullet chess, not because it's bad, but because it's a Dusty. Thanks for the 50, man. Appreciate you. And Richie, thanks for the like. I'm gonna attempt to play a King's Indian attack. It has a name. It's not scary. It's no different than if I were to play anything else. I play this in bullet because it's easier to pre-move the moves. It's not as you don't have to wait and see what your opponent does. I can make a lot of moves real fast, you know. Chris Whitehead, thanks for the like a few seconds ago. Kato says, have a nice stream, man. Have a good day. And who is that with the stars? Chris Whitehead, thanks for the 50th, Chris. Thank you. Kato, yeah, have a good sleep, Kato, and maybe we'll start getting you on some morning streams. Okay, I'm going to play this move. Dusty says, finally got my player ranking to 800. Dusty, congratulations, man. Congratulations, Dusty. Oh, you're welcome, Kato. Andreas will love that too, man. EYBI, I think his name is. He was in the tournament yesterday. He's in Norway too, man. Whenever he comes in, he's always talking about the god-awful hours. It's just not perfect. It's not a perfect stream for the people of Norway, but I love you guys. And I want you to get some Charly chess, man. You guys are cool people. I don't even know the people of Norway. I only know Kato and Andreas. Those are my Norwegian friends that I know of. I'm sure there's a few other people that mentioned it. Dusty said, I missed the tourney due to the tornado scare we had. Yeah, you know what, guys? I think I played right through a tornado watch last night and didn't even know it. And you know, it was such a blessing. I got so lucky because my internet went out. Remember, about an hour after the tournament where I was streaming and my internet shut off? And I looked outside and there was a big storm going on, and then there was a tornado watch, and I didn't even know it. Andreas says, this is a perfect stream for the people of Norway. Thank you, Andreas. I was just telling Kato that I may in June I might start doing a morning stream, and that might be better for you guys to catch me. Brian says, I was looking at your stats, Charlie. Did you know you win more as black? I didn't. I didn't know that, but I wouldn't be surprised. That's why I'm here, bro. You got it, man. JD Scott said, man, found your stream on an off chance of scrolling through videos, and I'm pumped to catch you live. Man, keep it up. Awesome. This is live. You know that, though, right? Awesome chill stream. JD Scott, you know this is live, right? Guys, it's so funny. Some people, they comment on the replays like it's live. And they're like, don't do that move. It's stupid. And it's like, they don't realize that they're watching a replay. You know what I mean? Chris Whitehead says, I never really sent stars before I found your stream, but really enjoy it and appreciate the learning curve you teach me. I remember many years ago winning a tournament out of 250 kids. in secondary school, dude. Always loved the game. That's a good day, Chris. You must have been proud of that, huh? I'm surprised your parents didn't shove you into chess lessons and make you because you know if you won a tournament out of 250 kids, it's a pretty good start. Carrington said that's what I call focus. Playing through a tornado. Yeah, no kidding. Andres says, aha, in that sense, yeah, that would be nice. To catch more live. Absolutely. Kato's always like, thank you guys, I love you, but I have to go to sleep. I get it. JD Scott says, yeah, man. Okay, yeah, I know, man. That's why I'm pumped. Yellow. Oh, cool. So yeah, I might have read that wrong, but I thought, does he think this is not alive? Because that would be even odder, right? Some people watch the replays and they think it's live. And that's funny. But if someone was just like thinking this was not live, but it really was, that would be like a Twilight Zone or something. Just finished Queen's Gambit yesterday, Mike Lote says. Awesome show. Have you seen it? I have. I loved it. I'm getting ready to watch it for a second time. Chris White says, thanks for reinvigorating my love for this game, man. For the game. Send 50 stars. Thank you, Chris. I appreciate it, man. You know what? You guys have reinvigorated my love for the game, too. Believe it or not. Dexter Tonagi has liked. Welcome back, Dexter. How you doing, man? Dexter's a local, man. I love him. He comes in. He hangs out. Yep, that's what it's all about, man. Spreading, you know, you guys know how in my job I spread the music. And if I can actually be so lucky as to be spreading the chess, a little old guy like me, that would be amazing. Dexter. I'm sorry to hear that, Dexter. You got people? You got people to take care of you, Dexter? You're gonna have to not go to work and all that crud for 2 weeks probably, huh? Well, I'm sure it's something minor, Dexter. And I wish you the best, all right? I wish you the best. I hope everything is okay for you. Someone's dropping bombs, man. Pablo Gloca, I used to play tournament chess. Yes. Jonathan Thrasher drops 100 bomb and says, finally done with calls, now to chill. Good for you, Jonathan. Chris White, I said, music comes with it. You have to great passion and bring them both of your following. Yeah, man, I love chess and music. I know a lot of musicians that play chess. Oh man, where is it? Well, here's one way. It's okay, Chris. I think I get the vibe of what you were saying. On chess.com, do I play ranked at all or just chill? I played this unrated because I didn't figure I'm gonna lose, but I'm thinking I might start playing unrated more often and only go to rated when maybe I'm playing offline or really playing serious, because I think my rating might be a little bit higher than it shows because like the way I blundered the rook in the first game. Because I'm talking and I love doing this and I love hanging out with you guys. But I'd kind of like to see if my rating can come up a little bit. See if, you know, I could make another account. But see, the thing is, I like to play chess and stream. I don't want to play chess offline. But yeah, I'm ranked. I mean, my rating is, my rating is 1597. It was 16 something a few minutes ago. Till I dropped a rook. Navreet Singh Brar has liked. Thank you for the like. Navreet, I hope I said your name right. This name is it's new to me. Catch 22, yeah. But it doesn't bother me. It doesn't keep me up. Man, don't worry. Chris White says, man, don't worry. Totally right. You always make such an effort interacting with your viewers. Always going tonnage and impact. Yeah. You know what? Well, Dusty, your rating drops when you lose games. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, I know. I'm good. I get the rook. Because if the knight moves, this square falls. Yeah, so your rating doesn't go down when you lose pieces. Only when you lose games. But when you lose pieces, especially, you know, when you start getting a little bit higher level, you lose the game when you lose a piece most of the time. I mean, if I'm playing someone my level and I lose a piece in a 2-hour game at a tournament, unless I have some serious compensation for it, I'll probably resign. Because he's just going to make normal moves, and then I'm just going to lose. This game's going to be over pretty quick, so if someone wants to play, get ready to send the challenge, okay? Oh, hey, wait a minute. That game I resigned, was that against one of you? I feel so rude. I thought it was from the pool. I'm so sorry. Who did I bail on? I'm gonna have to look. I'm gonna have to look at my history, man. Yeah, Carrington, absolutely. What was your name again, Carrington? Do you remember? Well, you do remember. I don't remember. Your name on chess.com? Adam Chocolate Wisted Cummings is here. Adam, how you doing, brother? And Eric Estuista, thank you for liking. Oh, Isaac Santiago. Isaac is like the stream. Isaac, how you doing, man? Isaac's a great guy. Isaac is the name that's worth saying twice. So his name is Isaac Santiago Isaac. Good afternoon, David. How are you today? The Bass Man is here. That's right. Bassett is our greatest asset. Okay, Clayton, I'll play you after Carrington, okay? I got you after, and type your name in chat though, so I know who to accept, okay? Good, David. How was your day, man? You off work? Is it 4:30? JD Scott is like, thank you, JD. Okay, this is my move. Just bring the other piece in. Had a relaxing day, that's cool. Okay, Clayton is Clayham. And Carrington was... Did you type it already? A bunch of things happened, Carrington. I'm looking. No, I don't see it. John Michaelira. What's up, man? How's it going today? Michaelira. Michaelita. I feel like I might need to like I'm not sure. I just have a feeling there's gonna be a hassle like with oh, I think I see it. I see it. John, man, I'm having a great day. I'm having a great day. I had a good day at work. Came home. And now I'm playing chess. So I would say that's a good day. What? There was a delay. Did you guys see that delay? I'm like, well, why is it not checkmate? Okay, Carrington. I need your name. I got the John, I got the Clayham's name. But I need Carrington's name. It got too far away from me. I'm so sorry. Good game, Jessica. Thank you. Dan Hallberg says, dang, just got back on the stream. This game is interesting because a couple moves back when I was in the same scenario. So I was learning now. Okay. Blue Kush Mafia. Are we friends? Let me see if I can find you. Blue. Oh, yeah, I see you right here. Got you. Oh, Carrington is already sent it. That's awesome. Carrington, good luck. Clam is actually Eagle I. I'm not so sure what you're saying. Which one is your name on chess.com, Clay? Hell yeah, man. Good. How about you, John? What was your day like? What does your day consist of? Joe Millward has liked and James Newcomb has liked. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for the likes. Guys, do you guys remember? I was like completely drawing blanks. I played D4 here. I'm supposed to play knight C3. Now I can play D4, I think. Oh. Jessica says, I'm happy I got a game in tonight. Doing better, Charlie. Yeah, that's great, Jessica. You're doing great. Charlie, what do you do for work? I'll tell you right now. Well, before COVID, I did mostly music. Then that slowed way down. That's picking up. I just had a gig cancel for Saturday that's been booked for like 2 or 3 months, and I don't care. I was going to play music Saturday afternoon. The reason I don't care is because I'm playing at a bar Friday night, a restaurant Saturday evening, and then at a winery on Sunday. Already, I got 3 gigs this weekend, guys. The schedule is going to be a little bit interesting this weekend. So before COVID, it was mostly music, but I do upholstery. I do furniture upholstery. Dusty, thanks for the share, man. Appreciate you. Always helping out, always supporting. I do furniture upholstery. Right now, I'm doing some patio cushions for someone's backyard, like for outdoor furniture. I have 2 chairs I'm working on right now also. I have 2 chairs from one of my best clients that I have to pick up next week, at the end of next week. So that's what I do, man. Carrington says, trying to get better with the Scandinavian for black. Awesome, Carrington. That's the way to do it. John says, can't complain. Back to work tomorrow. I've worked 3 days on, 4 days off. Pretty sweet gig. Yeah, a buddy of mine used to do that, man. He was a cop. He just retired, man. LA County Sheriff. And he used to do 2 doubles and a single and a double. And then he'd take 4 days off. How cool is that? Dan Helberg says, damn, if you ever come to Tennessee, I'll hook you up with local bars, etc. Yeah, man, that'd be great. Well, you know, Nashville, I've heard stories about Nashville. Nashville is not an easy town to make money in playing music. There's so many musicians. They're so thick and so rich with music that I've heard some of the best players in town will play for free at bars just for exposure. Jason Martignac has liked. I gotta warm up my coffee. I'm using the smaller cups, right? And I'm still not finishing the cup. Do you ride? I heard earlier you're from a biker town. I'll tell you right now. I'll tell you my experience with motorcycles. Oh, Charlie Ketron, though. He looks new. I got to talk to you. Charlie, welcome to my stream, man. He said, just started watching you a few days ago. You have inspired me to start playing again. My dad and I used to play, but we haven't played in years. Dude, Charlie, fellow Charlie, I love that, man. That's good time spent with your dad. That is just really cool. Okay, I'm gonna get my coffee, man, and that makes me happy, dude. I keep hearing that story, man, from so many different people. It makes me feel good. I'm gonna tell you guys something funny too. I'll tell you guys something funny, and then I'll tell you my motorcycle life. You know, you like see somebody. They meet maybe a famous, like let's say someone meets Drake, okay? And they'll say like, I was going through a really hard time in my life and you got me through it. Whenever I hear that, I think it sounds so corny. Or someone, they say like, you inspired me. And I'm like, they're just saying that because they're meeting somebody famous. I'm not famous, but I'm not comparing myself to that situation. But what I'm saying is, I always thought it sounded corny and stupid, and I really didn't believe the person saying it. And then here I get people every day telling me, dude, you inspired me to start playing chess again. And I'm like, it makes me feel so good. And I totally believe it. So I've just totally learned something. Oh man, that's probably a good move. That's probably a good move. So let us save our bishop. Yeah, man. I've ridden street bikes hardly never. Nate Taylor, thanks for the like. Giancarlo, thanks for the follow. KT Stillman, thanks for the follow. Jason, I got you. So I have hardly ridden any street bikes, although I always really wanted to have one. Then I moved to Texas, and there's deer, and there's skunks, and possums, and raccoons, and hogs. And I think I'm just not doing it, man. I'm just not doing it. Now, we had a motorcycle track in my backyard. And we used to get off of school at like 3 o'clock, run home, scrounge up some quarters, go down to the gas station, fill up the tank, come back, mix the gas with the oil. We had a motocross track in my backyard, man. That was freaking fun. So I'm not even saying I'm like this daredevil, badass. Who is it? Hold on a second. Thank you. The new potato chips are here. We're going to unbox these. Okay, I'll get my knife. But I used to ride dirt bikes all the time. Okay, what we have here is a box. I'm going to have to probably put it up here when I show you. This is my knife. Okay, this is a move, man. It's a move. I've told a story about this knife before. When my ex-wife and I bought our first house here in Texas, this knife came with the house. Well, I don't have a house anymore. My wife does, and my kids still live there, so it's all good. But I took my freaking free knife, man. And these, because my beautiful, young, and talented girlfriend is on a low-carb diet. And she likes these chips. And so I bought her a box. That's awesome. I'll be able to give those to her. So he canceled. Okay, so then we will take a piece. And so yeah, man. Charlie said he used to ride all the time in Amarillo, Texas, where I live there. Yeah, no, a lot of my friends are bikers here in Texas. And I'm just saying, for me, I'm not doing it. It's dangerous enough without like wild animals running in front of you all the time. You know what I'm saying? Too much pressure on your C-Pon. Had to do something. Yeah, Carrington, don't worry about it. Oh, and Ben's an hour and 45 away from Nashville to the east. You're 31 and live in a retirement community and work locally. So it's a mix of all kinds of people. You would do really good here. That's crazy, man. So you're 30-something and live in a retirement community. That's weird. I mean, it's not weird, but it's interesting. It's like, I would think to live in a retirement community, you'd have to be retired, right? Oh, man, who's dropping bombs? Jessica with the 50. Thank you, Jessica. Amin is here. Amin Zinoun. Welcome back. Zarne Dravitsky is here. And Vincenzo Sanchez. Nate Taylor. Carlo, I got you, man. So, yeah, and Charlie says, for sure, man. Always have to keep your eyes watching, keep your head on the swivel. Yeah, for sure. And that's something I'm just not willing to do. You know? Better send her the handle, LOL, says Jason. You know damn well she's calling the lawyer right now. That's funny. Yeah, no. My ex actually allowed me to keep. She didn't give me a hard time. My ex was a peach when we got divorced. They must be crazy for parties. Paul, what are you talking about? The chips? Sean Carlos says, brother, I'm from Peru. I like your game. It's interesting. I play too. Welcome to the stream, John Carlo. I appreciate you, man. Thank you for coming in. Well, let me see. Oh, it's a real brand name, guys. It's a freaking buck knife with a sheath. It's got like a rubbery kind of handle. It's not like some really cool leather handled thing or something. Thank you, Jessica, for the 50. Oh, I can't wait to do that. I retire from U.S. Air Force in 2 years, 18 years down as a parachute rigger. Is that what you said? Oh, I could have took the Rook. It's okay. I'm in a castle. And Mike Loads, 235 stars. Love your music as well. Can't stop watching and listening now. I need to learn more strategy. Maxime.
Love your music as well. Can't stop watching and listening. Now I need to learn more strategy.
Love it. Sorry I read that, man. I should have let the name do it. I didn't realize that was a $235 star. Thank you, Mike Loads. For 200 and above, you can actually do the voice to chat. Maxime Suchi gave 100 stars. Thank you, Maxime. I appreciate you. And Zach Wood, thank you for the like. New to the stream, and I dig it, man, says Nate Taylor. Haven't played a lot of chess since the old jail days. I gotta tell you something, man. I never, ever want to go to jail, ever, obviously, right? But I always thought, like, well, I mean, if I did, you know, like, I could play chess. Small consolation. Yeah. No jail. Buck knives are amazing. Keep it forever. Yeah, it's good quality, I bet. Right, Ben? I thought he said butt. Yeah, it's a butt knife. You pack parachutes for a living. My buddy, we were in high school, and his name was Kurt. He was one of my best friends ever. And Jessica sends another 50. Thank you, Jessica. And Kurt was 2 years younger than me. And he bought a very expensive guitar, a Gibson Les Paul. And he hardly played it. But he was he did like, I don't know, 12 years maybe in the Air Force. And then he got out, he learned a bunch of computer stuff, and then he got into computer security, and he did very well for himself. And that's why he was able to buy us a bunch of expensive toys. One day he tells me, hey, my Les Paul is in my will for you if I ever die. And I said, Kurt, you're 2 years younger than me. I smoke cigarettes. I said, you're not going to freaking die. Like, don't even talk like that. That sumbitch died. My freaking friend Kurt died. I'm like, what? His daughter called me. I'm like, what? He was doing fine. I didn't say anything about the guitar, right? Then 6 months later, his wife, who I didn't know either, I didn't know the daughters or the wife. 6 months later, the wife calls me and says, Charlie, this is Tammy. I have a guitar here for you. And she shipped me a guitar, man. Gibson Les Paul. I love the guitar. Let me show it to you. That's a real guitar, man. Now, I don't name my guitars, but my friend Kurt named that guitar Rebecca. Yeah, you no kidding, Clayton. That's probably what happened. But yeah, it's a beautiful Gibson, and my friend left me that in his will, and his wife shipped it to me, and they just gave it to me. I'm like, he must have left his family, pretty well off, because otherwise, that's a pretty extravagant gift. Do you know what I'm saying? It was his move. Huh. I didn't even know what just happened right there. Okay, he attacked. Huh. Okay. Yeah, can you believe that? Yeah, I was never in the military, man. I have mad respect for it. I mean, I'm mad respect for the job, right? People, I'm sorry, guys. I don't just respect people that I don't know. I have mass respect for anyone that would go risk their life for their country. I think that's amazing. But just like anywhere else, cops. I shouldn't even have brought that up. Let's not start talking about that. Scratch it from the record. My saying is, I don't hate people that I don't know. And and it's hard for me also to respect people I don't know, because I don't freaking know you. That's all I'm saying. Probably getting too confusing there. You know what I'm saying, though? They volunteered so many others didn't have to. That's exactly what I'm talking about, Dean. Garrett Weaver says, very nice guitar. And sorry to hear about your friend. My condolences. Thank you. That means a lot. Yeah. Oh, man. So I hung that pawn. Okay, now we're going to trade queens. He's got a little bit of pressure, man. I don't feel so good about my position anymore. I gotta buckle down, guys. I think I'm getting a little bit too into the chat. Trying to have fun with you guys. Jessica says, okay, from tonight on, we are called family now in here. Well, we're the chest chillers, okay? We're the chest chillers. Oh, I can't imagine, man. Clayton, I cannot even imagine. Jacob McDonald, thanks for the follow, and thanks for the like, too. Mood is here. Thanks for the like, man. And Elias Carroll, thanks for the like. How you doing today, Elias? Mervin Salubre. When I play, you'll be relaxed because I don't play well. Well, you got a good chance to win. I'll tell you right now. Jormer June Corey Corpin has liked the stream. Oh man, I gotta read this name, guys. Guys, name alert. We got a name here. Swarathesh Adanki has liked the stream, and Daban Zerng. I remember you from the other day. Daban, welcome to the stream. Okay. Riesel Duke Homer, come on. Is liked. Thank you. What are we doing on our follow goal here? Let me see. Okay, 2401. We need 99 more. That's probably not an altogether bad move. My knight really doesn't have a whole bunch of places to go. Let's attack a bishop. Oh, Swarathesh Adanki. Thank you. Welcome to my stream. Do you speak English? You have a great name, man. Thank you for the 99 stars. Thank you. Swarathesh Adanki. Welcome to my stream, man. I know you've never been here because I would remember that name. Ben says, I just realized I haven't seen the flags in a while. Will those be making a reappearance? Van, you know what? I think I retired the flags, man. Oh, you meant to go to D3? Well, you know what? It's a strong central square. You're threatening to, mess my pawns up. Jason Martinyuk says something about chess that even though you have to think a lot, it's just relaxing to play and really helps me clear my head. Yeah, totally, man. He should have moved his rook down, you think, Mike? Quite possibly. Okay, but I did attack. So I'm going to get 2 bishops for the rook. Oh, you're welcome, Shiraz. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. I actually considered taking with the king. That would not have been smart. The stream is ever-evolving thing. It is. You know, when I switched over from XSplit to Streamlabs, just this streaming software, I started bringing the flags over, and then something happened. I was going to have to do it again, and it took a lot of time, and I'm like, you know, that was really cool at the start, but I think we're just going to call that a fond memory. If you guys want to see the flags, what he's talking about, go way down on my page to the old days, and you will see the flag page he's talking about. He's taking my rook now. You must have been talking before. Yeah. I got 2 bishops for the rook, though. So, and pawns are what? He's up a pawn. I think most grandmasters would take a white in this position. But we'll see. Ben says I might sneak one in tonight. I'll watch for an opening if that's cool. Yes, I did tell one guy that he could be next. Clay. Clay, I felt like you said your name was Clayham, and then I feel like you said something else. And so I still am not 1,000% sure what your name is on chess.com, Clay. If you could type it again one more time in chat, exactly what your name is, then I'll understand. Ben Hallberg says, wish I had this background music playing when I was in tournaments. Pretty sure my blood pressure would have been lower. Yeah, did you play chess tournaments, Ben? Dean Guazda says, I share the stream every time I watch, trying to help with the follower. My friends are starting to follow you, and they want... Oh. Where'd it go? They're starting to follow you. Where the heck is it? Oh, it keeps dropping off the screen, man. And they want your music on iTunes as well. Put it up, we will buy. Yeah, I remember you saying that if you put it on iTunes. I don't know if I'm going to put it on iTunes, man. I hate to say it, but I just don't know if that's going to happen. We got this one, guys. You guys know this move? Oopsie. I'm not saying I'm definitely going to win material. Time is always your Eagle. Okay, Eagle. It's just like that. I can copy and paste that. And I'm Rosewood Telly, Clayton. So, watching from the Philippines, Jomar, June, Corey, Corpin, Kumasta, ako si Charly. Kinagagala kong makilala ka. That was for you, Jomar, and all my Filipino friends. Good morning. It's early morning. It's still kind of early for you, right? What is it, like 8 o'clock in the morning or something? 8 or 9? Yeah. Okay. So you Ben grew up playing some tournaments. I lived in Tennessee with the U.S. Chess Federation and learned from many chess masters. You told me that. That's right. You told me that. Okay. Cool, Clayton. You know what? I'm gonna have to get going here pretty quick. So Clayton, can we make it a 10-minute game? You cool with that? I'm gonna need to. Let's make it a 10-minute game, okay? Because my girlfriend's gonna be here in about half an hour. So I got time for you, and I got time to play Bannon game, and then and we'll be good. Alan Walker, thank you for the like. Hyatt Romero, thanks for the follow, man. Getting that follow. Yes, you finished me off in 5. Well, don't worry about it, Clayton. We'll see. 8 a.m. in the morning in the Philippines, right? All right, Jolly. Thank you, Jolly. JC Cruz, good morning, cowboy, he says. How you doing, man? Welcome, JC. Good to see you again, man. Thanks for coming in. Nice move. Backwards. Max, thanks for being here, brother. Good to see you, man. Ben says, no worries, brother. Next time you're in Tennessee. Let me see. Next time you're in Tennessee, you should stop by the Federation and play them. Yeah, no, totally, man. That'd be cool. Wow, you know how to speak Tagalog, bro. Nice. I love chess, bro. Even I don't play well. Yeah, and you know what? A lot of us don't play well, man. We're here learning. A lot of us are, okay? Some of us are better than others. But, okay, I just accepted your friend request, and now I'm going to challenge you. Yep. Clay, man. Clay's on the ball, man. Okay, and Ben, you're next. If you want to play, man. Nicholas Harmon, thank you for the follow. Hey, any relation? No, that's Harman, not Harmon. Close though. Just jokes by Charly. Yeah, man. 678 is his rating. They start you at a 400, right? Dude, I would love to come to the Philippines and meet some of you guys, man. So many of you. Thank you for the follow. Swear at that. Thank you for the follow. I've got so many of you guys that are my friends from the stream. I would love to come to the Philippines. Sure, if you run out of time, no worries at all. Don't want to hold you up, brother. No, Ben. I got time. I totally got time. Just go on chess.com and look, Jessica. Go to home and go to profile. You said you won one game and lost 4, but it depends on who you won and who you lost to. You know what I'm saying? Jess is in bed already. Good for you, Jess. You're smart. What state are you in, Jess? Did you tell me? I forget. You're in America, aren't you? Let me look at you. Yeah. Okay, I think I see it. I see it. I moused over your name. Cortez Paolo is here. Or gave us a like. Thank you. Yeah, Rhode Island. I just moused over your name and it with this chat thing. If I mouse over your name, it pops up your picture. Okay, we got the double fee and kettle going here. I like the way you think. I think I'm going to oppose this one. Maybe drop a bishop here. Oh, plays bishop there. Okay, that's fine. Bishop a3. The bishop a3 attack, we're going to call this, okay? Plays bishop a3 attack. Okay. Yeah, man. So what? Today is what? Thursday? Courtney has karaoke tonight. I jumped up and ran to work and kicked butt today, and then I ran home to play chess. And then I have to leave here in about an hour or so and go. Oh, thank you for the follow, Jomar Corpin. Then I have to go to the bar and I have to set up a PA, man. Big heavy speakers. I got to take them out of the truck. I got to put them up on stands. I got a bunch of cords everywhere. Because our band's playing at the same bar tomorrow. So if I set up the bandstand tonight, she can use the better system for her karaoke tonight, and I'll already be set up for tomorrow. That is a move. Move has been played. Carrington Conley says, early mid-game is good for me, but once I see the time starting to tick, I start to rush myself and overlook easy moves. Carrington, play slower games, man. Play slower games. Dean Guazda says, how long you been streaming again? Over 2,000 followers. And how long? I started streaming at the very end of November. So it's been December, January, February, and March. All of December, all of January, all of February, all of March, and all of April. It's been 5 months. It's almost exactly 5 months. Steve Jacobs has followed. Thank you, Steve. Appreciate you. Thank you for the follow. Oh, you can? Of course you can. Thank you for asking. Please do. Please do. You can. Anyone ever wants to share. You're very polite for asking, but I've never heard of anyone who didn't want their stream shared. You know what I mean? Yes, you can. You're doing me a favor because it just helps to get out there. You know, if there's anyone you know that's a friend that's into chess, maybe they'll come hang out with us too. Awesome. I started watching last month, Dean says, and started following last week. Thank you, Dean. Yeah, that's great. A lot of people, man, they come in, they'll watch a stream every day for almost a month, and not even follow. It's crazy. You should go live tomorrow night playing in your band, Charlie. I know, but I just can't. I cannot. This I cannot do. Because it's against the rules. Yeah, he's giving me a couple for sure. No, he's rating 678. He's still at the beginning of his journey. You know what he did? Look at all his pieces have moved, and his king is castled. I would say that's better than the 678 already in rating. Just the fact that he castled. So I think he's doing okay. But of course, yeah, he's at the beginning of his journey. He's going to get better. Jessica's been here 2 weeks now, man. Corey Stewart, what's up, man? Sorry I'm late to the party, he says. It's all good, dude. Corey, welcome, brother. Welcome. Those alerts get to you sometimes. LOL. I follow once I see value. I truly enjoy coming to hang out. Thank you. God bless. Stay vigilant and stay sanitized. LOL. Yeah, you ain't kidding, Dean. Thank you, man. Thank you very much for the kind words and for the kind warning or the words of caution in these precarious times we live in. Right? Stay sanitized. What a nice thing to wish for somebody. I wish you prosperity and sanitization. David Desartes like, David, how you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. We're chilling out right now. I'm playing Clay. Clay thought I was going to beat him in 5 moves. It's not true. But he's still learning his tactics and stuff, and he's giving up a few pieces, so he's making it a little easy for me. But I'm glad that he challenged me. We're here to learn. I can still look at the position and try and find the best move. Like, a knight here would be cool. A knight here would be cool. This one especially. This rook's not playing. Let's go ahead and bring a rook. Then maybe put a knight. Haha, I get all kinds of reactions to that. Yeah, that's great, Dean. Freaking love it, man. Dean, what kind of name is that Guazda? That's probably not an altogether silly move. Polish. Okay, cool. Yeah, I would have never guessed that. I gotta have a ski. If I got no ski, I can't guess Polish. There was a guy named Casper. His last name was the ski, and then he invited a few more guys with the last 3 letters was SKI. And I saw one here the other day. And so, that's just, for people that don't know Polish names, it's the only one I can guess. Spelled Gwiazda means star. Okay, that's nice, man. That's a cool name. I met a lady from freaking Austria the other day, from Vienna, in real life, in person, and it was so cool. I'm like, I want to go to Austria. Do you have a place? I immediately was like, asking her if I could stay at her place when I went to Austria. Dean says, family took the eye out to Americanize our name. Get it. When can we play, Cowboy? Well, JC, I don't know if I'm going to have time to play you today. Because I got this game to finish, and then I'm going to play Ben. My current rank, my rating right now on chess.com is 1597. My rating in the United States Chess Federation, y'all could look it up. I think it's like 1830, 1834 or something like that. Ski at the end of names were mostly added during World War II so the Nazis wouldn't think they were Jewish. That's a bit of history that is worth hearing. I like that. Thank you for that, Dean. I didn't know that. How you doing, David? Minnesota. Justin's out of Minnesota, man. Do you play chess, David? What's your rank? Do you have a rank? Interesting, but most Polish never had ski before 1940s. That's freaking crazy. This I did not know. Yeah, I love to learn stuff, man. I like, and stuff I can remember. Like that's a factoid I'll remember, right? Like I was explaining to David Bassett that, well, I've told you guys, but I've read a ton of books on World War II. But it was 30 years ago, 25 years ago, I read this stuff. And I don't remember details like dates. I remember ideas. Like, I think maybe the night check. Like in Winston Churchill's biography. So some of you might know the answer. You might know the story. But he had a friend who solved this situation. There was a certain spiral, a death spiral, that airplanes, once they got into a certain spin, they couldn't pull out of it. And this guy solved it on paper. He mathematically figured the turbulence from the wind and the weight of the plane and figured all that on paper. And he came up with the answer to move the yoke this way and put the engine this way, and then they could pull out of that spiral. He solved it on paper. And that was one of Churchill's friends. Smart dude. So the thing those are things I just love, you know. Or learning that they added the skis for World War II for because a freaking Nazis were coming. That's history, man. That's real stuff, man. I like it. Okay, Benjamin, I'm coming for you. I'm looking for you right now, Benjamin. Benjamin, I don't know if sometimes I go to challenge Ben and he's in a game because Ben really does like to play. We're gonna go straight 10-minute, Ben. Still make too many blunders from how I used to play. Yeah, you know what? Just thank you for the game, Dean. Yeah. And you are welcome. Justin says 1100 on chess.com, just getting back into the game. Too many blunders from how I used to play. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's a little frustrating, but the tactics come back, man. It says operation failed. Okay, there we go, Ben. There we go. Laxus v. Britannia is liked. Thank you, Laxus. E4, E5, Bishop C4. Yeah, the blunders, man. If you just start playing, you'll stop blundering it. You know, you get all that back. It doesn't take very long. Let me see how we're doing on our follower goal. A blunder is a terrible move, is what a blunder is. It's a terrible move. It's like if you accidentally leave your queen and a guy takes it, that's a blunder. You can blunder a pawn if you just accidentally let a guy take a pawn, like for no reason, you just didn't see it. It's like an oversight, terrible move. Carrington, I think this is going to be my last game. Thank you, though. Thank you very much. I'm giving the last one to Ben. And see, Ben's 485. Ben's like 200 points lower than Clay was. I don't know if this is the best move in this position. I bet it probably is, what I just did. And, ooh, who just followed? Curtis Robertson has followed. Thank you. Now, let me check out that, what are we doing over here? Follower goal. Yeah, 2408. We're going to have to make a big push tomorrow to, if we're going to hit the 2500 by tomorrow evening, but that's fine. It's a, I think it was asking Ben Arnold. Yeah, Jessica says, chillin' to Charly music. Yeah, Carrington, I'm sorry, but we'll play another time, okay? For sure. Oh, sorry. I thought Ben was saying free to play a game. Thanks for the game, Charlie. Okay. Justin David Raymond has followed. Thank you for the follow. Yoshi Chet has liked. Thank you, Yoshi. I appreciate you. Hyatt Romero, thank you for the like also. Welcome to the stream, guys. Welcome to the stream. Okay. It's a move. Gonna be on it all this weekend. Guys, I gotta be honest, the weekend is really slammed, but I did just free up some time on Saturday. So I could probably do an afternoon thing on Saturday. Sunday, probably Sunday evening. Tomorrow is gonna be rough because I have to work, and then I have to work tomorrow night till 1 in the morning. So I am going to try. That is what I'm going to do, is I'm going to try. I really don't like not streaming every day. I like to stream every day. It feels good. Good, you just got in the game. Very good, Carrington. Good luck. Play well. All right. Don't worry about being good, Mike. Play your best moves, man, and learn from your mistakes. Then it doesn't matter. If you learn from your mistakes, you won. This is like the same game I played against someone earlier, remember? Don't worry, you need time for you two and your girl. No, that is true, but I mean, I'm not streaming like for 8 hours. I'm streaming for like 2 hours. You know what I'm saying? Does it lose? Hunter Schaefer has followed. Thanks for the follow, man. Get me closer to that 2,500 goal. Guys, there was a video I made called it was one of the streams. It was Midday Chess, and you guys remember this day. John Paul, shout out to you, brother. John Paul Atencio. You guys remember the stream where my brother and sister were on the plane flying to Texas, and I was like looking at my phone, and I was looking at my phone and staying in touch with them, and I was all excited that they were coming. That video, I think it got put on Facebook's playlist or something, and it has like 10 times as many views as any of my streams. And my streams do okay. I mean, people watch these things, guys. Like just over 2 hours on the stream right now. Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah, this really weird thing happened with where this one stream, the replays are just off the freaking charts. So you saw that one first. Yeah, there you go, Dean. That's what I'm telling you, man. They fed it to you on your feed or something. Unless you were here that day live, which you might have been. I hope you were. Either way, I'm glad you're here. Christopher M. Carest says, you in Texas, bro? I'm in San Antonio. Where are you at? Yeah, man. I'm near Marble Falls. You know where, like Llano? You know where Llano is? I'm actually in Canandan. That's a stream I watched to realize. Clayton says, I wanted to follow you. Thank you, Clayton. Was that the shirtless stream, Charlie? Which shirtless stream? I never did a shirtless stream. Russell Lewis, thank you for the like. And Ashish Biswas, thank you for the follow. Hunter Schaefer, thank you for the follow. Yeah, you know Llano? Yeah, cool. Cooper's is in Llano. Dean says he watched the replay. Hard to get you live. Busy, busy, busy. Yeah, absolutely. Well, you know, it'd make it better too if I could give you guys an exact time that I'm live. But I always, because I still have my day job, right? So I give you an about time. In June, I'll probably go live like 5 to 7 every night. Same time. So you guys will always know, and it'll be easier to catch me, you know? Russell Lewis says, I used to live in McKinnon Dam, went to school in Burnett. Stop it, Russell. Really? That's hilarious, man. Where are you now, Russell? Yeah, your fan flying in popped up. So crazy, but so awesome. Yeah, Aaron. Yeah, you saw that too, huh? Yeah, Facebook was like feeding it to people. And people were commenting on that video today. It's from like 2 weeks ago. And I've gone in there and started like replying to some of the comments and stuff. Aaron says, never heard of you then in my feed. So happy. Well, Aaron, thank you, man. Hey, Aaron, who's in the picture, man? I mouse over your face and there's a military man. It looks like an older picture. Do I say wings? Is that an Air Force guy? Is that someone you love? Someone that maybe knew how to fly a plane or something? Russell Lewis said, been all over military life. Live up in Dallas for now. Your grandpa, World War II. Dude, you gotta be proud of your grandpa, huh? Guys, you gotta see this picture I'm mousing over, man. It's great. It's like an old black and white picture of a fine young man, proud with his hat on, and he's got wings on his hat. B-17, that's a big plane, huh? Dang. David Desart says, I have zero idea how the algorithm linked us up, but I'm super grateful it did. Yeah, thank you, David. Thank you, David Desart. Kind words, man. Doubled on the 7th could be an issue if that didn't happen. I'll just go ahead and take this now. Yeah, I think I have like I think in this position I have a mate in one. I think I'm going to play one more 3-minute game because I freaking have to, man. Because I freaking want to. I'm going to play a 3-minute game and I'm going to win. Okay? I'm calling it right now. I'm going to win. New game. I might not talk on the chat a lot, guys. Let's just see if I can win a game. Because my ratings are all so low, and they're low because I talk. I'm not. I really have to go. Good games. Yeah, don't worry about it. Okay, guys, I'm just going to win this game. At least I'm going to do my best. This guy got a pawn. Look at the blinking bishop, guys. Look at the blinking bishop. Yeah, that's probably not a bad move. Oopsie. I'll take this one too. Queen c7 looks like he's in check though. Now we'll hit both. This guy really came with the queen, man. That's probably a kind of a cool move, I guess. Saves his bishop. Oh, I'm taking that. Oh, he's not on it though. I can castle. I also have time to play this move. No, I don't. I'm gonna castle. Oh, my stream is a whole vibe. You're too kind, David. Okay, guys, I'm starting to look at you guys. Okay. Just bring them. I have the bishop pair, and I am up 2 central pawns. Black is clearly better. What's he doing? Oh man, I should have played rook takes. I didn't see it. That was terrible. Now I'm just up an exchange and like 15 pawns. This square I can't allow. That doesn't do anything. Boy, he gets a freaking check and everything, huh? That's fine. Mess my pawns up. Okay, okay. Oh god, he's moving fast. I gotta move fast, guys. He's up a minute. Rook takes. No, I hung my rook. Yeah, it's time to take it too. Oh, I didn't hang it. Got him. Checkmate. Woo! Man. Guys, you look around, you look and sound like the Burger King guy who got arrested on the plane. I don't know that guy, Matthew, but I totally have to look him up. Jason, Chris, thanks for the like. Thanks for the like, man. Jefferson, Starseed, I love that name. Thank you for the like. Ethan Griffiths followed. Anthony Pettigrew, thank you for the like. Fernando's here, love you, Fernando. Christy Murray has liked. Paolo Fidel, Russell Lewis, Ashish Biswas has followed. Thank you guys so much, man. That was fun. Let me see what you guys are saying. I'm not. Yeah. I think we got most of the. Yeah, check out real quiet. It did because I wasn't talking to you guys. I wanted to play one game and try and win. Gilbert Esguerra has followed. Thank you. Guys, if you're new to my stream, you could type exclam notify like this. Watch, I'm going to do it myself. Exclam notify. You probably already know. But if you like what you see and you want to come back, and also even if you're followed, man, because sometimes people follow and they don't know when I go live. You got to hit the little bell. You got to hit the little bell for the alert. That way, if you want to come back, do that. Then you'll come back. Alil Harris is liked and Gilbert followed. Thank you, man. There you go. Jomar tried it, but he already did it. So thank you, Jomar. That is awesome. Dean says, yeah, that's a W. Enjoy the time with the lady. Anthony Pettigrew, you were really disappointed last night. Why, Anthony? What happened? Yeah. Oh, yeah, that sucked, Anthony. Oh, my God. Guys, I'm so lucky. We streamed. The tournament took 2 hours, right? We had a great tournament last night. You guys come next week. Wednesday night, 6 p.m. Central Texas time, the tournament starts. We had 32 players on our first one. This week, I bet we're going to have 50. It's going to be great. Chris Summers, thanks for the like. But, and then afterwards, we were hanging out, and we were chilling, we were playing chess, and a freaking huge thunderstorm came. There was a There was a tornado warning I didn't even know about. Because I was stuck in the stream, man. I was stuck in the stream. Thank you, Jessica. You're already notified, though. Hey, Khalil, get notified. Thank you, man. You'll get him now. Yeah, we play rated on chess.com. Yeah, sure. David Bassett, thank you for the like, man. Appreciate you. Thanks for stopping in. All right, guys. Yeah, Jessica, I know you'll be there, man. We had so much fun playing the tournament, guys, because we chat while we play, and then when my game's over, we watch other games, and it was just really fun. So we're going to do that again next week and have a freaking blast, man. It was, Jonathan. I'm so glad that so many of you guys made it. Thank you, Kyle, just for being sure. Oh, no, Kyle just notified, too. Thank you. I'm going to look at our goal. We're still not to our 2,500 yet. 2415, that's great, man. We got a good 20 or so today, which isn't bad. Can you say, yeah, is it a bad word, though? Is that a bad word? No, but is it a bad word? I'm asking you if it's a bad word. I will say it, but I just want to know if it's something rude or something. Because if it is, I'd rather not say it. I'll do it. You don't even have to follow. I'll just say it. Let me say meaning. Let me try translation. Boy, I'll tell you, it's like you can't just type that and get the answer. So let's just come back and oh, it's your cousin's name. Okay. Christy Murray says that's Irish. Yeah, I can tell it's Irish. I will say it. I'm not sure how to say it though, but I'm gonna say it the best way I can. Okay. Tu kani kani. It's very simple. Tu kani kani. How'd I do? It's his name from New Zealand. Christy Murray. Anam is my name. That's your name, Christy Murray? Huh. Yeah, that I don't recognize. Anyway, guys, I love you. Thank you so much for being here. Had a nice stream today. Sorry I didn't bust out more wins. I had a couple of nice wins, but sadly, I think they were against a couple of you guys. Hope we all learned a little bit of something, and now I'm gonna clip the lesson. I might actually make another one and make it better about showing the. I feel like when I was explaining how the knights moved, I feel like I was kind of stuttering because I stutter sometimes. Raimundo Nato, thanks for the like. And so I might go back and make one, but I have to make a video that teaches people to play chess because people come here and they say, I love to watch the stream and I don't know how to play chess. Dean says, enjoy the night. I'm signing up for the next tourney. Absolutely. Okay. Thank you, bro. I heard you, and he laughed. Thanks, man. Hey, was I even close on the pronunciation, man? Jomar says, see you later, bro. Need to go for work. See you next live stream. Yeah, man. Thanks so much, Jomar. Thank you for coming in. Thanks for the follow and everything. And thanks for the share. Guys, I'm out. I love you. I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Oh, wait. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Let me see if I can end the stream and raid somebody. Maybe Zakutso's streaming. Even if you don't hang out there, guys. Even if you don't hang out there, if we still go in and say hi and make him happy, he'll feel like he got raided. Maybe you could like his stream if you like to help him out. He's a cool dude. He came in here tonight to wish me a good stream. He was joking about Bong Cloud theory. Zakutso's chill, guys. So let me see. Let me end it here and see if I can. No, man. There's just some guy, man of God. He's got 3 viewers. Not now. Nope, not doing it. Not doing it. I got to get more people to raid because it's fun to raid people. You know what I mean? It really is. Okay, guys. Love you guys. Take care. I nailed it. Thank you. I nailed it. That makes me feel good. Good night, guys. Love you. See you tomorrow.